Yes, people, welcome to a tutorial about Spotify and how to fix Spotify is playing random songs in a playlist you made. And first, what we're gonna do is open your Spotify, of course. And I have it over here and I tap to it. And this is important. If you made a playlist by yourself, Spotify can play random songs in this playlist, and we go turn it off. And I'm going to show you some different options. And for example, I made this playlist, and it's a playlist for in the gym. It doesn't matter that much, but I made it by myself, and I add one other person to it who can listen to it. So here I can play the songs right at the top. And left to that, you see two arrows crossed to each other. Well, if you Spotify playing random songs, you have to tap on it. And then you see a little star and that says Smart Shuffle recommendations are turned on. And that's what makes Spotify playing random songs in your playlist. Because it's a sort of AI function that it adds automatically songs, some kinds of suggested songs. So, Smart Shuffle is now off, and if I tap twice, Smart Shuffle recommendation will be added to the queue for this playlist. So it's gonna add random songs. So I'm gonna turn it off again. So if you tap once, Smart Shuffle recommendation is off. It shuffles in your playlist without adding any other songs. If you tap it again, the star appears, and then it adds other songs from outside the playlist. Hope that's a little bit clear for you. So I turn it off, and I'm going to end this video by thanking you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share some experience in the comment box. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye-bye.